by stating that God is light and that everything is made from light makes a match, but scientists like to have physical proof. There is a fingerprint that God has placed on earth. Exodus 33:12-34-9 states that God allowed Moses to see God's glory passing by on Mount Sinai. It is logical that the light of God would modify the rocks in that area. The light of God might have left the rocks radioactive, or modified the half-life. The God-modified rock would come up differently when the rock is compared to other rocks in the area. As the glory of God came and passed, God shielded Moses with his hand. This means that there is a variation, in the rocks, between where Moses stood and the location where God's glory passed by. By using areas away from Mount Sinai as a control and comparing those rocks to the area where God passed by and the area that was shielded by God's hand, we can start the process of verifying what God is made of. This means that God is not beyond the verification process of science. The biggest problem with this fingerprint is that we do not know where Mount Sinai is. We have educated guesses but are not sure about the location. One possible way of finding Mount Sinai is to look for artifacts left by the Israelis. The nation was camped in the area for a long time. It may be easier to find the location of the mount by doing archaeological digs to find where the nation was camped. Once the camp is located, we will know that we are in the right area and can start looking for the fingerprint. The comment section is open for discussion.